Here we go, guys. We are in here now. Here we go. Oh my god, guys, this is the players' tunnel. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Players' tunnel. We're walking in the players' tunnel, guys. Over this side, guys. Let's go. Or should we use the lift? Should we use the lift? Let's use the lift. Cover you, Mom. Okay. Let's go. Just going up the lift, guys. I think I might stop it for a bit. This area, guys. This area. This is the trophy, guys, of the Invincible. Guys. 49 games unbeaten, guys. Look at that. Set from the top. 49 games unbeaten. There we go, guys. Those are the teams that play. There we go. And go back again. There we go. 49 games unbeaten. There we go, guys. There's the trophy. Yeah. There's a trophy over here. Okay, guys, we'll keep going. Look at this, guys. Wow. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's amazing. Look at the nails, guys. Look at that.
Yeah, it's like
beautiful.
it's like a shop.
Look at that. Look at that.
They lay down the
Walk down this side, whatever side you want to. I don't know if you're allowed. Let's just keep going and see. Look at that, guys. The Emirates Stadium. We'll go next, on the next one. Let's go. Keep going to the end. Why is that here, guys? Keep walking. It's about walking, guys, not sitting down, isn't it? It's about walking and touring the place, not sitting down. So let's keep going, guys. The Arsenal, guys. The Arsenal. Look at that. How amazing is this, guys? I mean, seriously, guys, how amazing is this? We are at Arsenal Stadium, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've been here to watch a game or two, but never just to you know, just be chilled. There's nothing happening where we can just walk around, guys. This is so good. Look at this, guys. Amazing. Absolutely amazing, guys. Love it. Look at this. Let's look here. Can I look under here, guys? Let me see. Look at this, guys. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. Look at that. Wow. Arsenal fan, guys, let me know in the comments. This is where our team calls home. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited to be here, like literally excited, guys. This is like so good to be here where it's just like I don't have to rush around, guys. I can just look around and just enjoy the scenery, enjoy the stadium without having to run around for the entrance for this because there's so many people. This is the dream, guys. This is so good. So good. Look at that, guys. So good. Absolutely love it. A stadium, guys. Oh, no wonder like teams like my team, Arsenal, when they go to these little grounds where the pitch is not as good, no wonder they struggle, because look at this pitch, guys. Look at it. How beautiful is this pitch? It is stunning, absolutely stunning. Wow, guys. Wow. Absolutely stunning, guys. Wow. Look at that. The dream. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it, guys. Stadium, guys. Look at it, guys. The Emirates Stadium and times. This is so good. So beautiful. Love it. Absolutely love it. Wow. Amazing, guys, isn't it? Absolutely stunning.
How do you do that? Yeah, because I was going to say that you can watch it.
Wow. So the lift area. Guys, over here first. Let's go in here first.
Come, guys.
Look at this, guys. Oh, it's been a while, guys. We need to come back to this glowing room. Yes, kids. Take some pictures for yourselves. You got phones, isn't it? You don't need me to always. Ah, okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
We're not allowed.
Thanks. All right, let's go, guys. There's nothing much in here. Oh, what about there? What's there? What's in here? What's this? Look at this, guys. Look at this. Move away, please. Move away.
What is it? Firework. Why would they put a firework on the
Okay, let's keep moving. Let's go. That area over there is really bad. There's just pictures on the walls. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, this is where the players walk, guys. Oh my god, this is so exciting, guys. This is where players will be walking out, isn't it? Wow, guys, let's go into the players' tunnel, guys. Oh my god, guys, this is the players' tunnel. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Players' tunnel. We're walking in the players' tunnel, guys. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. We're on the pitch. Wow. Look at this. Amazing, guys. Look at this amazing scenery.
This is where the pitch
It's going to be in my video. My little nephew wants to. There. Yeah, go there. Look at him. Are you excited? Look at the video. Look at the camera then. If you're excited. You don't look that excited. Oh, guys. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. This is, oh my god, this is amazing, guys. You don't even know how amazing I feel to be here. Like, Arsenal fan, true and true Arsenal.
Loving it?
Oh my god.
Oh, it's amazing.
Never wanted to miss anything.
Absolutely amazing.
I'll take the you're an Arsenal fan.
Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Amazing.
Really good to get that.
Wow. Hey guys, look at that.
How long have you been an Arsenal fan?
Forever?
Forever. Who's your favourite player of all time then?
Henry.
I'm gonna be
Henry, obviously.
I'm
Thierry
really obviously.
Henry.
I'm talking about the new.
Yes.
Of all time, you said. Of all time.
But now,
Look at that, guys.
It's hard to choose because that squad is just too good. Someone today was talking to me about going, I like Saka on the wing, but then he passes to Odegaard. Odegaard's really good, but then it goes out to Martinelli. Martinelli's also good. But I just, you know where I really like? Saliba at the back. He's so good at the back.
yeah, there's a bit like
Saliba fan.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing, guys. Just love it. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it, guys. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. So good, guys. Absolutely stunning, isn't it, guys? Look at this pitch, guys. Like, seriously, look at this. How stunning is this? How stunning is this pitch? Absolutely stunning. Oh my god. This is the life. The players are living the life, guys. I wish the girls played in here as well. You know, girls need to have this kind of a home ground as well. They're amazing. It's just so beautiful. But yeah, amazing, guys.
So I was going to say,
Yeah.
my friend,
Absolutely amazing.